What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you guys another video. And before we go any farther, guys, if you are just now tuning in to Tuesday's video and you didn't watch Monday's upload, I highly recommend you stop this video, click the card right up here in that corner, go watch Monday's video, because if you saw that card pop up, you can tell it's some big news. Fair warning, go watch Mondays, come back, then watch Tuesdays. But for those of you that did watch Monday's video, you're a real one, and thank you for that. You obviously know we got Blucifer back, baby, let's go. And as you saw in Monday's video, we paid Kevin a visit over at Flim Flam Speed, and that's where the car's been for 3 weeks and some change. But you can obviously tell it's back home where it belongs, and it feels really good. I was gonna cuss, but I'm trying to stop that. Just look how glossy. Ooh, I killed it. Look at this freaking blue. I finally was able to get the car back, and when I got it back, it needed a detail, so I gave it the works. Like, I'm gonna give you a quick little walk around, but it's so butter. It is absolutely glossy. It is mint, and it's, ooh, feels so good to have it back, and feels even better to have it super clean at that. I know yesterday's video, we picked up the car, we brought it back, I talked a little bit, yada yada, typical stuff. And I didn't really drive it on video, but as you could probably tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, that is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. And it's gonna be more of a raw type video. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on, we're gonna go hit the streets, just drive around. We're gonna, you know, keep our eyes locked on those field trims, AFRs, and you know, we're gonna see how it does, and we're gonna just drive it. I'm super stoked for this, but I'm also very nervous because this is gonna be the first cold start in this garage with Blucifer, and also with the new tune from VMP that, you know, adjusted the cold start, because 5.0s, when you start them, they typically idle pretty high for a good amount of time, and that's to warm up the catalytic converters. But since mine doesn't have them, you could trick the system a little bit and it kind of dies it down to normal idle pretty fast. But we're gonna give it a try. And hey neighbors, I'm sorry, all right? I'm sorry. I'm just telling y'all now, it's not gonna be an every morning type of occurrence. You know, maybe 10 a.m. I'll start my day and start the car, but you should be at work. I hope you're working. You're up there every day just playing fantasy football and stuff. You and I are not gonna get along, but here goes nothing. This garage door opened up real quick before I pass out from the exhaust fumes. Woo. If that ain't in sight, I don't know what is. Look at that blue, man. Oh my God. Pretty loud, but I don't think we're gonna get any. I truly don't think we're gonna get any. I truly don't think we're gonna get any complaints. That it wasn't that bad. Man, this thing is looking incredible. You know what? Cue the montage.
Thank you so much for calling.
It feels good to be back. tell you what, this car feels like a night and day difference. Those injectors really must have done wonders, because it's like, it feels all there, if that makes sense. I don't really know how to describe it. It's just so much better. So much better. Definitely have to make sure these Mickeys are warmed up before we punch it. I think it's probably a good idea to swap those out for the street set I have, just because it is winter time and these don't like to hook up when it's cold, and it is 49 degrees right now, so it's pretty cold out. Looking at the fuel trims though, they're looking pretty solid at a solid 1. That's exactly what we want. There's a grabber blue right there. I'm gonna go catch them. We're going for it. Come on, come on, come on. Doing this for you guys. See what this guy's up to. Yo, what's good?
What's up, man?
Not much. It's looking good, man. Doing well.
Mustang week.
Yeah, I know. It's been a minute. I just got the car back, so.
Man, I watched the video.
I appreciate it.
See you, man.
You too. I'll tell you what, I really do love the 11 and 12 body styles. It's probably one of my favorites, especially with an aftermarket hood and some modifications on the front end. They look so good. If I could go and rate this car 1 through 10 right now on drivability, it is an fat 11. No joke, guys, it feels so good. And I haven't felt the car feel like this since like a couple days, couple weeks after getting it initially boosted. But this thing it's rowdy. It is definitely rowdy. Fuel trims are looking right on the money. They're staying super consistent with each other. They're pretty much staying anywhere from like 1 to 1.03, which is pretty decent. We got a little Porsche action going on. Hate those cars. Definitely a little sketchy on these tires though. More than likely gonna swap out to my other ones. And then of course after winter, we'll go ahead and plop these back on during springtime and summertime and whatnot. It's a 2020 Shelby right there. You saw the camera. Those things are freaking insane, man. I would love to have one. That was fun. I was just starting to get into boost and I could feel the tires about to start breaking loose. Definitely a little sketchy, and I'm not trying to wild out too much. Just trying to see how the car performs and the air fuel ratios and fuel trims and things like that. So don't expect much. Oh yeah, boy. I haven't felt that in a very, very long time. Like I was saying, guys, it's just a night and day difference. That felt extremely healthy from about 3,000 RPM to about 7,200. Full pull was just so healthy feeling, and it just, I haven't felt that in forever. Pretty much speechless about it because it just felt, I'm so happy with that, so happy. quick, I just want to go ahead and take a second and just give a huge shout out to Kevin over at Flim Flam Speed. Truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you, Brad, all the people that helped me along the way. There still is one thing I do want to resolve, and it's that stupid check engine light right there. If I were to guess, when I put the X pipe on, obviously I deleted the catalytic converter, so there's 2 pipes that bolt up into the stock manifolds, and those pipes take a gasket that goes in between. But yeah, I'm just gonna make sure all the bolts are good and all the gaskets are good, because I had a feeling we have a wee bit exhaust leak maybe before the O2 sensors, and that's why I'm getting that P219A code about a bank imbalancement. But the banks are looking great on the SCT, so I don't know, it's nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna put a piece of electrical tape over it for now, because I am very OCD and that drives me nuts, but we'll figure it out. So before we go any farther into this video, guys, I want to go ahead and remind you that if any of you are looking for some last minute gifts for the holidays, for some good friends, best friends, your family, anything like that, make sure you guys head to the link in the description and check out Ridge Wallets. As you can see, I am rocking their beautiful forged carbon minimalist wallet that is going to be held together by these elastic bands that are super durable. And as you can tell, I am rocking the cash clip, or you could get a cash strap. And honestly, the beautiful thing about having one of these is the fact that it's super small. It carries exactly what you need. That's the key thing, what you need. I know when I used to carry a leather wallet, I would end up just throwing a bunch of junk in there. It got piled up, super heavy, super bulky, and just uncomfortable to keep in your pocket. So again, make sure you check out Ridge Wallets. Link is in the description. And when you go and purchase something, guys, use the promo code DVP Squad for 10% off all your orders. Yes, you can make more than one order and get 10% off. So go do that, and I promise you, you'll never look back. I can't stop looking at it. I'm just so grateful, guys, that it wasn't anything catastrophic. That's all that was going through my mind, is this thing is gonna be out of commission for some time. Pull the motor, Gen 2 short block, probably keep the same heads and stuff. And I don't know, I had a couple ideas floating around in my head. I'm just so glad I didn't have to do that on a motor with less than 30,000 miles on it, because that would have been very heartbreaking. Anyway, today's DVP vlog Instagram shout out is going out to 5.0 Venom, and make sure you guys go check out that beautiful Fox body and go give him a follow. Speaking about follow, guys, if you want a chance to win a shout out on the vlogs, it's simple. All you have to do is follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions, and I highly suggest it because that's where I post all the sick photos of all the cars. And whenever you post a photo, just use the hashtag DVP Squad in all your posts and you can win a shout out. So make sure you go do that as well. Well, there you have it. Blucifer and DVP checking out, and we will see you tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern time, for another video. But until next time, we'll see you later.